around, shake.
What up, what up? It's Sunday. So today we're gonna go see some nice fireworks after this church service. I have something like a Starburst in my mouth, so that's why it's hard to talk. So that's gonna be the plan, but first of all, we're gonna have some special guests. So we're gonna go pick them up.
Say hello. We picked up our special guest, and what are we gonna go do?
See the fireworks for 4th of July.
Yes, we're gonna go see 4th of July fireworks. This one's a little bit sleepy though. It's okay, he'll wake up soon.
You got a nice watch.
Yeah, he does.
That's a cool watch. I wanna have a watch like that. Where'd you get that watch from, huh?
We got it from kids' watch store. We don't know because our mom got it, but it's for kids. But you can get it in grown-up sizes.
Yeah. So Nico, you're a YouTube star. You're gonna be a YouTube star. He loves Minecraft YouTube videos, and Beebs makes her own makeup tutorials.
Yes.
She's a makeup guru.
I have a makeup and Barbie. I'm mostly fan of makeup and like other things, but mostly makeup.
Mostly makeup? You mostly make makeup videos.
Yes.
So
Yes.
what do you wanna be when you grow up, baby?
A cooker.
She wants to cook.
So what is your favorite
And a
food?
makeup artist.
And a makeup artist. Because you film recipes too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes you film recipes and food that you make.
So,
I made my mom a pudding before on her birthday with a baby.
wow, I love pudding. When are you gonna call me over for a pudding, huh?
Chocolate chips with the pudding.
Yeah, chocolate chips and pudding.
Chocolate chips pudding. I wanna like that. Did you say?
I don't know what rollerblades are.
Oh, okay. So rollerblades are like shoes with wheels on it, like those ones, but like they have four wheels. That's so funny because they came here right now when we were talking about that. So that one has only one wheel, but the ones that I mean, they have like 4 wheels, and those ones are rollerblades. Roller skates, rollerblades, however you want to call them, but they're really cool. I learned to ride them when I was small, and they're so much fun when you know how to do it. So yeah, we just got here. Now we're gonna check out this place with Princess BB, huh?
Yeah.
Check it out, see how it is, what we can do over here. They have some bouncy houses, and they have a monster truck. So let's see.
That looked like a monster truck because it like had a.
So apparently they have a movie starting in like 5 minutes. So we got hot dogs, and now we're gonna get a frozen drink for the kids and run real quick to watch the movie.
Hey, we have got a great movie.
Yes.
Right? It's about the pets, right?
It's about the pets.
The Secret Life.
The Secret Life of Pets.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to watch a movie tonight? Come on.
Yeah!
You're going to watch a movie in the most Holy Spirit-filled theater you've ever been in, right? But we also have concessions, so if you guys want anything, feel free to go to the lobby and get something to eat. Bring it on back in
Like your
here.
eyes?
So let's go ahead. Let's see this amazing movie, The Secret Life of Pets.
How was the movie, guys?
How was it?
You guys liked it?
Yeah.
What's this guy doing over there in the water?
We sent you a picture of him.
Yeah, but I don't got it. What was the point of it?
They try
inside the water? You guys went before to some fireworks to see them? Yeah? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
That's gonna be so much fun.
Look at my arms.
Look over there. She has some swag. I have some too on my arms. I have them even on my legs, huh? Whoop! We both have blue, huh?
Yeah.
Give me a high five. Yeah.
I hope he falls in.
Right, let's see him fall. Come on.
We saw people fall a million times.
And right now when we film, they don't fall anymore, huh? It's so nice outside. It's so hot, nice. He fell. Oh. Okay, now you wanna wear one, huh? Look how nice it looks, huh? Now it looks nice, huh? Now it looks nice. Can I have that for a second? Let me show you something. It looks like it's a big circle, huh?
Wait, keep spinning it and I'm gonna touch it. No, keep spinning it.
Ah! Hello, hello, it's 4th of July. Woohoo. So we came over here to my family's pool. I mean, there's like, actually it's a public pool or whatever, community pool, but it's pretty cool. Most of the time nobody's here, so we're gonna have a big old pool for ourselves. And look, Sam, look at Sam.
Sam.
He's all out there. Where's Felicia hiding?
Oh, ti frică că o fugești eu, frate, cine?
Mi frică!
Felicia, stai ascunsă să...
Că a venit babau după ea. Where are you hiding, Felicia? Huh?
E frică că încă nu a trecut de 90 days and... Inside 90 days to the door.
I only brought my shirt and that's it.
I'm gonna pay for my July 4th tomorrow.
You already wore this earlier today.
So how was it today, Sam? Did you enjoy it?
Pretty nice.
Did you enjoy those meat?
Those meat?
Those meat?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, huh? You're still all wet, huh?
Oh,
What do you have in that bag over there? So those ones are the meat, huh?
Romanian meat.
Bam!
Hamburgers, steaks.
Sausage.
Hamburger. It's the same thing, bro.
No, sausage, bro.
Hamburger.
Hamburger is something else.
No, bro.
Be careful, dude.
Te pișa la mine, bani.
Wow! Woohoo! Yee-hoo!
Independence Day.
Scary.
Wow, nici fain.
That's scary.
Mai sus. Da, bine.
No, he's done. Let them.
getting that?
Yep.
Aplaudat.
Woo!
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, we are gonna make more.
This one, I think it shoots in there. Oh yeah. No, you're not getting it high. Okay. Oh, that's it. Wait.
Kelly, no, scared the people.
Yeah.
How many?
More, you're making more.
Oh, there's more?
We found like
Sami's all excited. There is more! Yeah! Woo!
Kung kanta ba? Give me more, give me more.
Give me more.